Hello, today we are going to talk about Bajaj Finserv Loan Against Property. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Bajaj Finserv Loan Against Property. Applicant age should be between 23 year to 62 year for salaried and 22 year to 70 year for self-employed. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount rupees 20 lakh to 25 crore. Tenure will be 5 years to 15 years. Login fees will be nil. Rate of interest will be 8.80% to 10% for salaried, 8.90 to 10% for self-employed. Turnaround time is 2 days for salaried and 3 days for self-employed professional. Insurance charges will be 0% to 2%. Foreclosure charges will be up to 4%. Processing fees will be 0.50 to 1%. Part payment is allowed. Products are fresh loan, BT plus top-up, commercial and purchase. Lock-in period is 1 year. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 3 years. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Bajaj Finserv Loan Against Property: Loan Against Property, zero login fees. For doctors and CA, funding can be done up to 100% of market value up to 1 crore. Location is Pen India. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are all self-employed person other than professionals, employ with proprietorships firm, advocates, police. Negative properties are other than approved residential and commercial property. Specific product for professional, yes, for chartered accountant and doctors and architect. Maximum loan up to 3 CR, for doctor -4 time of cash profit and for CA 3 time of cash profit. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.